Hi guys, good morning. We will go to church today. Kasama ko ang aking dalaginding. Ay, nakong bata talaga. Nako, bata. Ang ano guys, umaano yung ulo ko sa anak ko. Ang bagal kumilos, be. Ang bagal. Parang prinsesa. Para siyang, alam mo yung, ano ba yung ano? May animal na ano yung parang slug? Slug ba yun? Slug something. Diba? May ganun. Ganyan si Arya guys. As in sobra. Ganyan siya kumilos. Talagang uugtas ka ba? Uugtas. We're in the church guys. Church niyo pala. Self-conscious means you're not confident. Dito lang kami for today guys. Hindi kami sa church nag-church. Dito kami sa CCF. Umattend kami ng church sa CCF. Every first Sunday of the month sila. Tsaka third Sunday of the month kasi sila dito sa Iloilo. Ayan.
What is the greatest love we have? L-O-V-E. And the angels cry, holy, holy.
Experience. Once upon a time, many years ago, we observed the Vice President and
We finished church mga besh. Ayan. Punta muna kami sa SNR kasi nagpapabili si Alp ng yogurt tsaka ng basta. Oy! Hindi anay! Dali lang! Open it, open. Gosh! Init. Be! Para kaming nasa ano? In Fierce.
Sa Dubai.
Good, the same Fierce.
Yan ang secret ni Americanong Hilaw. Nag-drive na nakapaa. Diba?
Please turn on the AC.
Inimit.
No.
Ay, the hot water.
It's so cold.
Indeed, it's so cold, but it's so cold inside, ha? Amazing, right?
May naman ba sa mga expensive?
So this is why Stanley is so popular.
Oh my gosh, that's why Stanley. Arya! Ha?
Kuha ka mo Mountain Dew. May matcha.
Sige, Beth. Mountain Dew. Oo. Hindi, pero ano siya? Discounted lang. 48 pesos na lang. Are you hungry? Gutom na kami, Beth. Madalian. Ano, dara ka lang, ha? You need invitation. You need red carpet. Ilonggo, gudya to, no? You need red carpet. Invitation, kag red carpet. Ang English ko dahil, na. Ay, naku ba? Hi, baby! Hi, who's that? Hala, ati tata.
2 hours later.
Kakating namin, nag-lunch lang kami, tapos alis-uli kami. Kaya? Ay guys, so ayan, kape-kape muna kami kasi mainit sa bahay. So, Sunday naman today. Tulog si Al. Boring ang house. Let's go. Let's go. Para may... Ito yung plate eh. Sama namin si Aryan. Aryan, ang inside. Boy,
I see we're out of
come
time.
here. See, so with Ate.
I guess no one's to blame. Nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high.
Push it. Push, Ate, push. Aryan, push, Ate. Push, Ate, push. 1, 2, push. More, push. You will hurt yourself. Go. You will hurt him. Backward. Here. Okay, no, push it like that. Oo, you will hurt yourself.
How could we fall so
Push at
fast? Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Beyond our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall?
Ang ganda dito guys, no? Masyado siyang fresco. Ano lang siya. Sarap tambayan kasi ang init. Ang ganda guys, ang ano. Maraming ganito sa ili. Yung parang,
People
ewan
live
ko
in
ano,
this
parang
place.
farm. Oh my gosh, look at that. Meron siyang ano tao. Ang ganda guys, oh. See?
So wonder
One eternity later.
Hi guys, we're home. So finally, we're home. Ano ba yan? But, yan. After a long day, nakauwi din kami, Bi. Nalalo kami ni Arian. Shh! Ay, susma, vlog pa ko, Tani. Come here. Come. Love mommy first. Love mommy first. Where are you? Wait lang. No, what? Push it. What's that? No! Ikaw kaya pala ha. Nanood kami ng Widow's War, guys. Widow's War. Ang daming labo. Night night. Kiss na slash. Bless! Arian, bless. Bless, bless. 8:30 po, ha? Arian, you will sleep with Tita Joy, ha? Tita Joy will sleep now. Go home tomorrow. You will come with mommy tomorrow. We will bring them to the airport. You want some? Dali na. Hi guys! Once again, pasensya po if may times talaga na yung vlog ko tumatalon-talon. Alam niyo yun, parang from afternoon biglang maggagabi, tapos minsan from umaga biglang mag-end na ako ng vlog, ganyan. Kasi guys, hindi ko talaga natatapos, hindi ko na-focusan na hawakan yung camera for the whole day. Sobrang hirap na hinahawakan ko yung camera for. So ayan, as much as possible kasi guys, ayoko na ng sobrang haba ng vlog. Ayoko na talaga ng mahabang vlog. Ayoko yung vlog ko sumusobra ng 20 minutes or 15 minutes. Makikita nyo, normally yung vlog ko 15 minutes below lang talaga. Tapos, ayan, mas, feeling ko kasi parang ang boring na pag sobrang haba kasi daily vlog lang naman to, di ba? Pag daily vlog as much as possible. Kasi yung iba nakikita ko, yung ibang vlog guys, tag 30 minutes, yung daily vlog. Meron pa mga daily vlogs na tag 40 minutes, babe. So, parang sobrang haba na talaga nun, guys. Parang, anyway, comment down below kayo, guys. Kung gusto nyo ba, ano ba, dapat bahabaan ko ba yung vlog? Or okay na tong ganito lang na kaikli na 15 minutes, 13 minutes, ganyan yung vlog ko. So, ayan. Anyway, so today dumating kanina si Joy Joy. Galing ng Bacolod. Joy Joy is, by the way, biological daughter ni Papa. Sa mga bago sa aking channel. Ako po is adopted ni Papa when I was 4 years old. So, kaya yan. Alam niyo ba na sobrang happy ako kay Papa kasi kahit pa paano nag-change yung ambience niya, nag-change yung routine niya. Diba? Kasi si Papa nagtitinda ng siomay. Alam niyo na everyday, gising ng umaga, luto ng sauce, ganyan. So, kahit pa paano, this is a breath of fresh air kay Papa. Tomorrow, ihatid ko sila sa airport and, ayan, let's see. Anyway, yun lang guys. End ko na tang vlog. Thank you all so much for watching. God bless everyone. Stay positive all the time. And we will see you in the next vlog. Bye!
just loving